All right, we're here at Sony Creative Space in New York. Countdown's going on. 4 minutes left. I actually have no idea. We have no idea what product is going to launch. No, do you have any clue?
No, I have absolutely no idea.
I guess we'll find out.
So, for a long while, I've been very excited for this day to come.
Alpha 9 Mark III, the world's first full-frame global shutter image sensor.
No! Yes! I want it. I want it too. We're gonna get it. All right, so today's pretty cool because it is our first time experiencing the Sony Alpha 9 Mark III and the new 300mm 2.8G master lens. Now, it's kind of crazy because usually I get these products a month in advance to test it out myself, but this is kind of a cool way to celebrate a brand new camera. Like, I was surprised, we were all surprised, and the fact that there's global shutter in a small mirrorless camera body just changes the game. Now, what does global shutter mean? Well, basically it unlocks 120 frames burst speed photography and also removes rolling shutter, that jello effect for video. We had been wanting global shutter in a small mirrorless camera for years, and finally global shutter in the Alpha 9 Mark III. Also, what's cool is that it borrows a lot of features from the A7R Mark V, the 4-axis screen, best screen ever made. So cool, so handy. Has the same 8-stop image stabilization from the A7R V as well, so that's really great for, you know, trying to do some handheld photography or, you know, filmmaking. And just other cool things too that just makes this camera better, like the buttons are more tactile, they're a little bit bigger, easier to shoot, and there's this button here that allows, what is it, the speed burst, something like that. Yeah. So when you push this button, you could shoot 120 frames per second. But if you missed a shot on that first, you know, button push, there's a thing called pre-capture where it captures frames up to 1 second back?
Up to 1 second.
Up to 1 second. So the fact that you can pre-capture an image before you push the button just ensures that you won't miss the shot. So great for wildlife photographers, great for wedding filmmakers, but honestly, I think this is a kick-butt video camera. 4K 120, no crop, 6K over sampling for when you're filming 4K 60 frames per second. This is unbelievable. And it's not just me that thinks about this, but my friend Farouk is here as well. Farouk, what do you think of the Alpha 9 Mark III and the 300?
Okay, I believe Alpha 9 Mark III marks the day with the global shutter that all the cameras we have from now on is just gonna be so much better. They're already our favorite cameras, but now with the global shutter, it's gonna be that much better. There's no more bending. When we're doing slow motion, you can do anything you want. It's not gonna have any rolling shutter effect, and the customization. The customizable button seems very handy. All the features seem very thoughtful. They listen to the consumers. So I'm very happy and I'm very excited to see this camera, but I'm also very excited to see what's gonna come after this. Also, this lens has this incredible feature. You see this little thingy here?
Oh, the function ring.
The function ring. This is right now set to switch between the full frame and APS-C mode. That is incredible, and I wonder what I would set it to, but yeah, very exciting stuff. I cannot believe I'm here to witness this on the day it was announced. It's gonna be great. Also,
is it light?
It's incredibly light. Oh, the ergonomics. They talked about the ergonomics of the handle, which is already really nice lately, but this somehow sits in your hand even better. Even better. This part gives you that, you know, grip. Very good. Very nicely done. I'm very excited.
Was it nice to be surprised?
Yes! We knew nothing. None of us knew anything. Yeah, none of us knew anything, right? That's the correct way to say it. So we were all shocked together. All reactions were genuine, and yeah, what a nice way. Unfortunately, like, we cannot take these with us. So, anyway.
Wait, oh yeah, no one will know. All right, I'll cause a distraction, okay? All right, we gotta go. Now, if you wanna hear how fast the Alpha 9 Mark III shoots photos, well, let me show you and you can hear. All right, here we go. All right, here we go, ready? Here, I'm gonna put the microphone close. Isn't that crazy fast? And the fact that it has pre-capture, so if you're half pressing the shutter button, it's capturing photos up to 1 second before you actually press the shutter button. So that's pretty amazing. Now, thanks to global shutter, you can now take photos at 1/80,000th of a second, which is crazy. But the best part is that you can actually sync it up with flash. That is insane. That is insane. That is amazing for flash photographers out there. We got this awesome rain scene though. That's pretty cool. One of the reasons why I love these Sony events. Just cool sets, you know, to have fun with. Terry, thoughts on the A9 Mark III?
It is crazy. Like, I'm blown away by 1/80,000th. Did y'all hear what I said? 1/80,000th of a freaking second. Max shutter speed and max flash sync speed. Like, everything else is crazy, but that is $6,000 I need alone.
Yeah. Can you buy it for me?
Can you buy it for me? You
we'll
buy me one,
share.
I'll buy you one.
We'll share it. We'll like, you know.
Or we'll just have him buy two of them.
Like
There
a
you go.
timeshare.
Have him buy two of them.
Sony timeshare.
Yeah.
It's 3200 S-Log 3, A9 Mark III.
That's easy, right?
Yeah.
Hello. Looks good. 3200.
No,
All
we
right,
need to
got
be there before
it's at
7:30.
6400 ISO.
Okay.
And I have active stabilization on. I don't know. Looks pretty good to me. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's 12,800.
Thank you.
Not bad, right?
It's just my face.
It does work with the third-party lens, by the way.
Should I get out
That's
my
great.
camera?
All right, brought the A9 III at night. It's set to 6400, ISO 6400. Matt just knocked the screen. That's kind of funny.
That's right. It's nice.
Does it look good?
That way. Yeah,
okay.
it's nice.
Okay,
I'll
very
keep
cool.
triangle there for
I wanted to test out the stabilization because there's 8 stops of IBIS with the A9 Mark III. This is the standard stabilization right now, but I'm going to show some shots with active stabilization and dynamic active stabilization.
Show some shots.
Show some shots.
Show some shots.
Sean Connery is now
Yes.
my voice. Right now we are using standard stabilization, pretty decent, little shaky. That's all right. Now let's flip it on to active. All right, here's active stabilization. It's a little bit of a crop. All right, here's dynamic active stabilization. It's like freaking gimbal-like stabilization from what I'm seeing. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So good. All right, so that was the Alpha 9 Mark III. Unbelievable camera, totally surprised. I wish I could answer questions for you, but I don't have the camera with me. I literally just had a few moments with it. But yeah, really fun day.